Now, I want to show you how to use the Microsoft Windows 10, all the basic functions that you need to know. For example, you look at the corner here, this is the time. You can always check the date and the time here. This is the search bar. If you want to open a software, you can just click the search bar. For example, I want Paint, P-A-I-N-T. This is the pen, the drawing software. I can draw anything here. After that, I can choose to save. Okay, I want to save on my desktop. Just to click save. And I click desktop. Give a file name here. Demo. Okay, picture 01. Save. It will automatically save on the desktop. Now I can close this software. This is the picture that I just created. Another software is a text editor, Wordpad, W-O-R-D-P-A-D. Click the Wordpad. In the Wordpad, I can type all the words that I want. Even the capital letter, small letter, I can change the color. I can make it bigger. And I also can save this file on the desktop. Okay. Same, I click the save. Always remember the purple color symbol. This is save. Click. And click the desktop. I give it a name ABC123. Save. Now it automatically saves as a file on the desktop. So this one I can close it. For your working environment, this area is called desktop. Now this file is on the desktop. Already saved. This picture also on the desktop that I created just now and I saved on the desktop. So these are the files. The next I'm going to show you how to create a new folder. Just need to right click. If I want to create a new folder here, right click, new folder. Give a proper name for the folder, for example, homework, enter. Now this is a folder. I double click to open. This folder is empty, means nothing is inside. I can drag my file into the folder. Now this file already moved into the folder. I close it. Next time I open the folder again, the file is inside. This is a file just now. I double click and open. I also can drag the file out of the folder. Now the folder becomes empty again. Okay. When I open something, if I want to close it, move my mouse cursor to the cross and I press, click, it automatically close. Then I open again. You look at the square, this is maximize. I click maximize, it will occupy the whole screen. If I click restore again, it will become smaller again. And move your mouse cursor to the border. You can adjust the size of the window. If you move your cursor here, you can adjust it horizontally. Move your mouse cursor here. When you see this symbol, you can adjust the size vertically. This is vertically, horizontal, vertical, or both. The next, I'm going to show you how to delete a file. This is a file I just created. If I want to delete this file, just need to move my mouse cursor and click the file once. After that, use my hand to press the keyboard delete button. You should be able to see a delete button on your keyboard somewhere here. This is the delete button. I just need to click on the file that I want to delete. Then I press delete button. It will delete. Once the file already deleted, actually the file already inside the recycle bin. somewhere here. Recycle bin is a place for you to store the deleted item. This deleted item still can be restored. I just need to pull it out. Now the file already restored. Now back to the desktop. It's still there. If I delete again, I also can just pull the file to the recycle bin and release my mouse. Now this file already inside the recycle bin. Okay, now this is a folder. A folder is a place for you to put in the file. This picture is a file. Just now, you also can pull it out. Okay, now I close the folder. We also can delete the folder by pressing delete. It will send to the recycle bin. I also can recover the folder. It works same as the file. So now if I delete something, it is inside the recycle bin. If I right click and select empty recycle bin, are you sure want to permanently delete this folder? If I click yes, the folder will be deleted permanently. You forever unable to recover the content. Now the recycle bin also empty. Same, you also can delete your file. Just to right click, delete. This is another alternative method. You also can undo the delete. Just to press right click, undo delete. Then your items will be recovered immediately. So now if I delete the file to the recycle bin, somehow I right click the recycle bin and choose empty recycle bin. Yes. Then the file will be deleted forever. You're unable to recover the file already. Now it's totally deleted. So recycle bin is a location for you to temporarily store your files. If one day you feel that you still want the files, you can come back to the recycle bin and recover the file. Restore the file to your original position. Next, I'm going to show you how to rename a file or folder. Now, I create a new folder, just to right click, new folder. Now I can give a name, ABC 123, enter. Now this folder have its own name, ABC124, sorry. Okay, it should be 123, now it become 124, I want to rename again. Just need to move my cursor to the folder, right click, choose rename. Now I can retype the name ABC123, enter. This technique appears everywhere. You also can use the same technique to apply on your files. Let's say I want to rename my file. This is my homework. Just to right click, rename. Then I click behind the K. I can backspace to delete the original file name. I can rename it, become DEF456, enter. This is how are we going to rename the file. The next, I'm going to show you how to change the wallpaper of Windows 10. This is your desktop. Right click, personalize. Now it's the solid color. If I choose picture, choose a fit, here I choose fill. Now I have a few picture I can put as a wallpaper. You have a few choices here. So if I just want the wallpaper to be a solid color, I can click here, solid color. Now I can choose different color of the background. If I choose green, the whole desktop will become green color. If I choose gray, the whole desktop will become gray color.